Hey everyone, welcome back. So you see, I'm really excited because we're getting into the interesting stuff, parts that are really exciting, and I'm really excited to actually talk about it. So before I move forward to explain about this section of things that we're going to do in this video, is something I need to tell you. There's something I need to tell you, and that is from moving forward from this video, I need your attention, 100% of your attention, okay? Because we're actually starting to do things right now. From this video, right now we're gonna start posting things on Facebook, and this part is really important. So you need to pay close attention. So because if you miss this, if you don't do these things right, you're not gonna make any money, okay? So please pay close attention, because moving forward from this video, we're getting into important things and you need to do everything right. Okay, so let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to upload a couple of videos to my Facebook page. Now this is what you need to do. You need to upload at least 2 or 3 videos to your Facebook page. Now, why we upload these videos? Okay, now first of all, let me tell you how you can find a video. For example, if let's say you're promoting a weight loss product, right? Let's say you're promoting a weight loss product. What you need to do is you need to go to YouTube and find a couple of good videos about weight loss, things that actually is going to help your subscribers, or your fan page, Facebook page fans. This is not about selling. This is not about finding videos to sell something. This is about finding videos that is going to help your Facebook fans, okay? And now we don't have anything right now. That we're actually, as we move forward, I'm going to explain how these videos are going to come to play. But right now, what you need to do is you need to find a couple of good videos that are going to help your audience to learn something, okay? Now let me tell you, for example, in my case, which I have a product about golf, my page is about golf. So what I'm doing is I'm searching stuff on YouTube. YouTube is the best place to find videos, okay? So I'm searching for good videos on YouTube to find something that is going to be useful. I found 2 training videos which are really good. I like them because they're just long enough. As this one is 3 minutes almost, and this one is almost 7 minutes. That's just long enough. You don't want to upload a 20 minutes video, because people are not going to watch that really. Okay, so make sure your videos are not over 6-7 minutes max. I mean, if you can't find a video that is 4 minutes, 3 minutes, that's just perfect. I mean, this one is a really good one. It's just long enough, not super long. So yeah. So that's the video you want. So you want to upload some videos that are actually going to help your audience to learn something. So you want to engage people with your page. All right. So that is the goal. So in this case, I have a video which is motivational. Okay, it's really nice. It's good stuff. Good video. I watched it. Good video. And these 2 videos are also really helpful. So again, if someone's watching these videos on my Facebook page, I'm giving them value, right? It's providing value. So I'm gonna upload these videos to my Facebook page. Now, in order to do that, you need to download these videos first and then upload them to your Facebook page. And something else, in case you need a description, you can take the description from the video. It's super easy. You don't have to really do anything here. All you gotta do is find good videos that is going to actually help your subscribers. Help your Facebook fans to learn something in the subject that you're trying to sell a product. For example, again, I have a golf product, so I'm gonna upload videos about golf. So these videos are really important for one reason. Okay, let's go back here. So again, you're going to find videos related to your content, okay, related to your product. The videos have to be educational. So these videos have to teach something. It's not about selling, okay? This is not about selling. It's about teaching something to your fans. Now, why we upload these videos? So the reason actually we're uploading these videos is to gather audience. Okay, now I'm gonna go over how we actually are going to use these videos, because we're just uploading them right now, but in the next sections I'm going to go over the ways that we're going to actually use these videos, because that's the important part. We're going to use these videos somewhere. But the whole point, just to give you an overview of why we're doing this. We're doing this to gather audience. Okay, we're going to get data from Facebook. We're going to see who's watching these videos, and then we're gonna advertise to those people. Okay, so that's how we know that we're showing our ads, which in my case is, you know, as a product about golf, to people who are interested in golf because they watched my video. You see, so we're doing this because we need to gather data from Facebook, and that's why we're uploading these videos. So in order to download a video from YouTube to upload it back to to Facebook, you can use a software called Videograbby. Okay, so the website is called videograbby.com. It's really cool. You just put the video address, you know, you just copy this, paste it here, and then it's just gonna say record video. That's what you want. You don't want the MP3, you just want to get the video file, and it's gonna download it right here. Let's just download this video and make sure it's the right file. Just waiting for it to finish. There you go.
Today we're going to be helping you understand the golf swing.
There you go. So that is the right file, and I'm going to do the same thing. Let's just close this. Same thing for this. Oh, actually, I'm not going to close that because I still need the description. So you're going to do the same thing for all of your videos. Make sure to find 2-3 videos and get the description. Download the video using Videograbby. Upload it back to your Facebook. Now I'm going to upload it back to my Facebook. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on add photos. Let's go back to desktop. Hopefully there you go, that's the video. It's open and it's going to upload my video. Okay, so that's how it's going to upload it. Let's get the description from here. Let's go back here and paste this guy. Didn't do that. There you go. Now the video title is going to be, there you go, same thing exactly as the YouTube one. Okay, we don't have to invent anything right now. Just copy the whole thing from the actual video on YouTube. So let's give it some tags. Golf. Okay. Golf course. Golf club. Okay, so yeah, so give it some tags and see if you can find those tags on Facebook, and give it some tags and just wait for the whole thing to finish and publish them on your Facebook page. Okay, so make sure to do this for at least 2-3 videos, and as you see in my case I have 3 videos. So make sure to find some good videos and upload them to your Facebook account, because upload it to your Facebook page, because we're going to use these videos to gather data, and I'm going to show you how we can do that in next sections. All right, so do that. Make sure to get that done before going to the next video, and I'll see you in the next video.